Guys, somebody right behind here. Yeah, right in front of you. 12. He's hit. He's hit. Guys hit. Let him out. No. Come on, Green, let's move up. We got to take it before they respawn. They got a triage up there. They got a triage.
Push, guys, push. Get to that rock point. Go,
go. Reload, reload. Okay. I was engaged at 12 o'clock, so more like you're 11 o'clock. There you go. Far out there, pretty far. Single guy. We got fire coming in from this direction. Stay on left, stay on left. Jordan!
They're leaving, they're leaving. They're evacuating.
They're leaving.
Jesus Christ, it's quiet.
Hit. Somebody's down. Green on left! Take right, I got left.
All right.
You see anything?
Yeah, I'm seeing them, but I don't know if they're in or out. I don't think they're in or out.
Take the wall.